James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a controller by SteelSeries. This is their Stratus Duo. If you guys know, or if you guys follow our streams, you know that I broke my Xbox One controller. It actually dropped and broke. So we needed a new controller for the computer, for streaming, for gaming. So we picked up the SteelSeries Stratus Duo. Now this is a dual platform controller, so it has dual wireless platform, so it's Bluetooth and wireless. Has both signals, so you actually have the dongle. If you don't need the dongle, you connect it up Bluetooth straight to your computer, which is pretty cool. You know, so they say it works on Windows, Androids, you know, VRs. We're gonna test this on everything. I might even try to connect it up to the Xbox and see if it'll work there. I mean, what could it hurt to try, right? 2.4 gigahertz wireless, Bluetooth connection, wired USB. So you can use all the three if you really want. Now, as you can see, there's the controller. You know, it's definitely not the same as the Xbox pattern, because you'd have this left, the left Joy-Con would be up top, and then the keypad would be down below. Not a big deal. We can get around that. On the side, it tells you what comes in it. You have the plug and play on PC, so you have the plug and play cord. So you have the USB to micro USB. I believe it's micro. I don't think it's C. You also have the USB wireless adapter, and then it shows you how to connect it if you want to connect and plug it in just straight in, or if you want to connect it wireless or Bluetooth. We're definitely going to try Bluetooth on my PC. We'll see how that works. If Bluetooth doesn't work, we'll do it wireless, whatever. Here's your dual radio frequency for wireless. The wireless is 2.4. Bluetooth is version 4.1. It says range 12 meters or 40 feet, which is actually a good distance if you think about it. Battery life. Okay, the battery life charge, it says per charge about 42 hours wireless, 14 hours Bluetooth. So the wireless, you're going to get more because you're not using the Bluetooth. Online, they say it's about a 20-hour gameplay full charge, which is pretty good. You know, supported platforms, Windows 7 to, you know, all the way up to 10. So pretty much anything. Steam, you know, you can use Steam. I believe there's about 5,000 games on there they say that you can use this on, so we'll find that out as we go. Oculus Rift, Oculus Go, Android 4 Plus, Samsung Gear VR. I don't have no VR systems, so we're going to probably have to pass that out. Here's more about the frequencies, the 20 plus hour battery life. You know, they say 20 plus hours. That's, you know, just like we went over here in the States. You know, 42 hours for the wireless, 14 hours for Bluetooth. So I'm going to say we're not going to get that full 42 or even that 14. We'll probably get in the middle, about 20. So that's probably why they say that here. It says now, new trigger design features Hall effects. So we're going to figure that out. But let's pop it open for you guys. You know, let's see if we can get this out without ripping the box too much. If I can get it. Look at that, a box inside of a box inside of a box. So, we now have the Rise Up logo on a new box inside. Let's see. Which way do they want us to pull it open? Inside here we have nice foam padding. I like that. They don't want your controller broke. First thing you'll see down here is the wireless dongle. You know, there it is. Just a little USB wireless dongle. There's really no button on it, so you really don't have to click nothing. You just plug and play. We'll set that aside. We have the controller. We'll look at that in a second. Let's pop the rest of this open. Let's grab this book. Now we're going to close this. You know, I meant to do this unboxing a little sooner, but we didn't get there. I've been busy. Kids graduating. So the Stratus Duo. Here is our instruction manual for Windows, Android, and VR. You know, pretty much, I think it's going to be all self-explanatory. You know, platforms, package contents. You know, what the buttons do, what they're for, X, Y, Z's, you know, stuff like that. You know what I did not see in here? I do not see in this package. Let's pull this back open. So the one thing I missed was in the back of this was the cord. It was actually stuck in that. I didn't see it. So the book pretty much tells you how to connect it. I will actually do a little walkthrough if we do Bluetooth, how to connect that. We don't really need that. Here's the cord. I'm going to say it's probably about 6 feet. It is micro USB to USB. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to say definitely 6 foot. Probably maybe a little longer. Definitely about 6 feet. So nice long cord. Nice little touch. I like that they give you a nice long cord. Now, the difference from this from the Xboxes is, you know, you don't actually have to have batteries for this. It's built-in batteries. You know, you can just... Back here you have your right R2, R1 triggers. Left 2, left 1. Down here we have power. We can switch power on. At least I believe that's power. Oh, no, that's Bluetooth. So power's over here. Does need charged. We'll have to get to that charging, you know. So it is not charged. We will charge this. I was hoping it'd light up, but it's not. It's not lighting up for us. Do we crying? It actually has a nice grip. I actually like the feel of that. That actually feels really good. That's definitely non-slip. You know, you have a little plug right here. Actually, you know what? We'll pop this off. Nothing's there. So to charge it, take your micro USB. Make sure it's matched up. Plug it in. Charge it. Plug it in any USB port, it will charge. I'm going to say it probably take a couple hours to charge. Nice feel, nice response. I actually like that. I like the feel of that. And I haven't even started playing this yet. Now we're going to take this book open. You know, pop it in. It tells you what these are. So like number 10, that's the wireless mode switch. Number 11, that is your wireless pairing button. 12, micro USB, which is I just showed you. 13 is your battery level. So 13 will tell you your battery level, how much charge you need. 14 is your power switch, which is what I was just showing you. Inside here shows you how to connect it to your computers if that's what you want. You know, they're pretty much saying the Bluetooth is for Android or, you know, VR. I have Bluetooth built into my computer, so we're going to test that theory. You know, getting started on Steam, it tells you to connect it up, test it out, stuff like that. But that is a SteelSeries Duo. This is about $49 on Amazon right now. I will leave a link for that in the description below. I will also do a video to show you guys how to link this up Bluetooth. I will also show you how to do the wireless dongle, show you how easy it is. You know, it's pretty much simple stuff that I will show you guys how to walk through and do that. But thank you for checking out the unboxing. Keep your eyes out for more on DragonBlogger.com to come.